Hey everyone, welcome to my Mandarin Pronunciation course. This course has 30 lessons and it will take you step by step through everything you need to know, from the basics to advanced pronunciation, tone changes, and natural speech flow. By the end, you will be speaking Mandarin with confidence and a more authentic sound. If you have watched my previous videos, you might already know that every Chinese syllable has three main parts: the initial, the final, and the tone. Tones are very important because the same syllable with different tones can mean completely different things. For example, wen, warm. Wen means to smell. Wen means to kiss, while wen means to ask. See, only the tone changes, but the meaning changes completely. That's why learning tones is one of the most essential parts of learning Mandarin. Mandarin has four basic tones: the first tone, the second, the third, and the fourth. And today we will start with the easiest ones, the first tone and the fourth tone. So to help you visualize tones, imagine 5 pitch levels. Number 1 is the lowest and number 5 is the highest. Each tone moves along this pitch line in its own distinct way. Now let's look at the first tone. The first tone is high and steady, like singing a high note and holding it. Let's try it. Ah, 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 ah. Keep your pitch high and level the whole time. It's not rising or falling, just flat and stable. Okay, now let's try with another sound. Yi, 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 yi. Remember, the first tone should always stay at the top of your own natural pitch range. It doesn't matter if you are male or female, young or old. Your absolute pitch may differ, but your relative pitch pattern stays the same. So your high level tone might not be the same height as someone else, but it must be consistent high and flat within your own voice range. Let's try it again with another sound. Ma, 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 ma. Nice and even. Well done. Now let's move on to the fourth tone. A sharp fall from high to low. It starts from the highest pitch, 5, and quickly drops to the lowest pitch, 1. Let's practice with ah. Ah, 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 ah. Okay, let's try again. Yi, 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 yi. Okay, to help you feel it, imagine saying a very firm yes. Yes, that's the same falling pitch. Or when you're strongly saying no, that's also a fourth tone. Okay, let's repeat again. Ma, 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 ma. Yeah, make sure the tone falls fast and clean, not long and slow. Okay, now let's do some quick tone exercises. The first one, tone marking. Listen carefully and mark the correct tone on each pinyin. Are you ready? 一，一，二，二，三，三，四，四，六，六，七，七，八， 八
千千
All right, let's do the second one. Listen and choose the correct word you hear. 蜂蜜蜂蜜 is the first tone, then fourth tone, so it's the second one. Next, 大概大概 is fourth tone, so it's the first one. 出发出发 first tone, so it's the first one. 散步散步 fourth tone, so it's the first one. Yeah. Okay, next question. Please repeat after me. These all words use the first tone, so listen carefully. 出发出发咖啡咖啡发烧发烧声音声音发声发声听说听说 All right. Notice that when two first tone appear together, the second syllable is usually pronounced slightly longer. Now the last one. Listen carefully and repeat after me if you can. These words are made of a fourth tone. Okay, listen carefully. 大概大概饭店饭店电话电话散步散步电视电视上课上课 Okay, now actually in real conversation, the fourth tone doesn't always fall from the very top to the very bottom, but it always keeps a quick downward movement. And when two fourth tones appear together, the second one usually falls even faster. That's what you can see from this practice. All right, so that's it for today's lesson. The first tone is high and flat, and the fourth tone is fast and falling. Actually, for most beginners, these two are relatively easy to master. They help you set the pitch range of your voice, and this is a foundation you will need when learning the second and third tones in our next lesson. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next class. 再见。